Only in complete silence will you hear the desert. The braid must never walk before the mustache. The broth is cooking, and now we have to act as one. At the narrow passage, there is no brother and no friend. My father rode a camel, I shall ride a pickup, and my son will drive a Cadillac. However, my grandson will drive a donkey. Keep women far away from song, because it is a summons to adultery. When the shooting starts, climb on your camel and head for the mountain tops. Truth may walk through the world unarmed. He who shares my bread and salt is not my enemy. I give thee flight without wings. Knowledge is light, and all who contribute bring light to our world. Rather the cruelty of the Turks than the justice of the Bedouins. My treasures do not chink or glitter. They gleam in the sun and neigh in the night. As the camel falls to its knees, more knives are drawn. I against my brother and I against our cousin. My brother, my cousin, and I against the neighbors. All of us against the stranger. When you sleep in a house, your thoughts are as high as the ceiling. When you sleep outside, they are as high as the stars. The lightly burdened shall be saved.